This is a pour-over coffee machine I made recently. The carafe on my other coffee maker broke, the glass part, and I wanted coffee one day. So I went out into the shop and made a pour-over setup. So it's just some half-inch pipe and that's a wheel bearing in the race, and this was a race to another wheel bearing, and then a little rusty funnel that I had out there. Wipe the oil out of it. Coffee will take care of the rest. Get this strainer, and then my filter is just old Long John's. I cut a section of it out. You put that in there. I made that little cup years ago. Made this one too, actually. Should have made everything on this counter. Okay, so the coffee grounds go in there. You put your cup under there. And you have boiling water. And you just that's it. It's making coffee. So that's how I made a coffee maker. My own little pour over.